Good day everyone, it's Jinko Solar from Borehole. Today we are here to install our 5kW Lithium battery with our 6kVA hybrid inverter from Seaworks. Watch as we unbox this 6kVA inverter. Here's our 6kVA hybrid inverter. It comes with installation kit. This is our 6kV hybrid inverter Seaworks. This has a 6000 watts PV and it's 14 volts, and we are using it together with a 5kW lithium battery. Our 5kW Seaworks battery, you see. Let's unbox it together. Kilowatts Seaworks lithium battery. This is a 48 volts. These are our battery terminal. These are positive, these are negative. These are our communication spots. And here is the breaker for the battery. Up here we have our installation kit. This is our cable. And we are using 6 pieces of 530W Jinko panel with ASUS bifacial to run this 6kVA hybrid inverter alongside with our 5kW lithium battery. Good day everyone, it's Jinko Solar from Oritex Energy Limited. Here today we just concluded this beautiful system. You could see this is a 6kVA inverter, this is a 5kW lithium battery, and this is our protective unit. With this system, you could power your one inverter AC, your fridge, your freezer, lights, fan, and other basic home appliances. And the funny part about this is this system is very affordable. And up there we have 6 pieces of 530W bifacial Jinko panel grade A cells, and it's delivering maximum power to this guy here. So you could check now. Battery is charged. Our battery is 74%. It has been connected already. Both of the systems are communicated already. You can see this Li sign is lithium battery, while this bare means the system, the battery has communicated to this inverter here. Most people usually ask what system can power my fridge, my 1 horsepower AC, my freezer, my washing machine during daytime. Mostly now all those heavy appliances like fridge, freezer, washing machine, they should operate during some hour, which is from 11 AM to 4 PM. Then from 4 PM to the next day, you just operate on a basic place like your TV, your fan, your lights, utility appliance like that. With this big guy here, which is this 6kVA inverter that will accept up to 6000 watts solar panel, and our 5kW lithium battery 100 amps. This is from Seaworks. Both of them are Seaworks, and they are a very good option for you to go. So in case you are looking for a budget friendly system, solar system that could power your 1 horsepower inverter AC, this guy is here to serve you that. So we are here to deliver that for you at good and affordable prices. Thank you.